Ooh. Hello! Welcome to Milltown Threads, a presentation by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today, what did they do for fun? It's a leisure time activity, and I just love the stereoscope. The stereoscope was a device for viewing photographs in 3 dimensions. The viewer sees two images, one in the left eye and one in the right eye, and the views are of the same scene. The edges of the two seem to fuse together in one stereo window, making the picture 3 dimensional. People could view pictures of inside a silk factory, making the warp, a battlefield from the Civil War, a scene from Frog's story. This is the bridge in Willimantic, Connecticut. People could view 3D photographs of the Grand Canyon or Niagara Falls and other wonderful places that they might never get to visit. Stereoscopes were very popular from the 1870s to the 1930s.